So let me show you how you can validate Telegram phone numbers and usernames. Maybe you want to do Telegram marketing, so you don't want to be wasting your time sending to numbers or username that are not on Telegram. I'm going to show you how you can use this Telegram number and username filter for that purpose. So if you want to get this software, you can just message us on our WhatsApp or Telegram. So before we continue, so if you want to buy leads, email it, Zoom info, all type of leads, you can come to atglist.com. So we sell a lot of leads. And you want to buy marketing leads, you can come to ATJ Marketing Tools. You're going to see a lot of tools there. So let's go back to the video. So after I've installed the software, click on account, add new account. So just enter the account name, just random name, then enter your phone number that is on Telegram, your Telegram phone number. Then click on send verification code. After that, everything's going to okay. Then right click, then click set it as primary. So you can add as many as possible account to it. So after I've added the account, come to this button. So you can see you have two options: Telegram number filter, Telegram username filter, depending on the one you want to use. Start now. So upload. You just upload the file, upload CSV file, or you can just do copy and paste. So I'm going to be doing copy and paste. So I'm just going to use this number as demo. So just paste your number. So wait 1 to 4 seconds every 5 years. You can just leave the settings here. So click on initiate. So make sure it click on initialized, it's green. Then click on start. So available, you can see the number is available. So after I've generated your number, you can just export. So just save it. Just save it. File done successfully. So that's how it works. So the software also have feature to generate number. You can generate country number as you like. So then click on generate, enter the country code. Maybe you want to generate 100. So you can just sorry. So enter a sample number. Let me see. Sorry, let's see. So like this USC number. So increment. So just import. No, sorry, generate again. So let's try it. Let's try it again. Enter the amount of numbers you want to generate. Then so import. So you can start verify it. Then know the one that is on Telegram or not. That's how you can use it. So this will go to username. So you just have to upload your username. So I'm just going to be using my username. I click on initialize. I click on start. Can you see exists? So that's how it works. So that's how you can use this software to be to validate your Telegram numbers and Telegram usernames. So you want to get the software, message us on our Telegram or WhatsApp account. Thank you. See you again.